Oh, Macy. Does Macy want some mashed potatoes? Mommy's got mashed potatoes. Yes, I do. You're getting all excited. Yes, she likes mashed potatoes.
Come on.
I'm coming. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Would you wait? I'm working on it. Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Now what's funny is when she gets it all over her beak. Go ahead, eat your mashed potatoes. Let's see you get a good view of your beak. Are those yummy? And here it comes. There you go. You're a silly girl. I wonder if you let me still video you through this way. Everybody can get a better view of that beak of yours with your mashed potatoes. Let's give you some dinner music. Macy, are those good? You like? She's not saying a word.